Good morning, Room 2. Today is Friday, May 1st, 2020. That's right, it is no longer April. We are in a new month. I can't believe it. January, February, March, April, May. This is it. The last month of kindergarten, the last month of school for you. Wow. So this month there will be some new things you're learning and some review. I hope you've checked out Raz Kids for reading, because that is what I will be referring to a lot. I do want you to keep using Freckle, but you'll have a choice between Freckle and Raz Kids. For writing, we will be going back to how-tos. So this weekend you can talk with your family and come up with some ideas of things you want to teach people how to do, because you know how to do so many things. So many things. There's things that you know how to do that I definitely don't know how to do. So think about what those are. Make a list, because you're going to be writing more how-tos. Today, you're not. Let's go check it out. It's right behind me. All right. For word study, we're going to be visiting our snap words. What I'd like you to do is go click on that button up there. Actually, it's probably over there. I don't know. It's up top. I think it's on this side. You're going to click on the button that says sight words. We call them snap words. Same thing. And there's a list of all of the words for kindergarten. And you need to practice that list. If you can't print it, you can open the picture page, leave it on your computer screen, and then write them down. You need to know these words. Yes, please do. I also included a whole bunch of these flashcards, but they'll only look like this if you can print them. And I know I don't have a printer. I had to borrow one. So a lot of people don't have printers, but you can still open up the page and make your own flashcards. And you don't just have to sit there like this. It's one way to do it. That's one way to use flashcards. But another way is to sort them just like we did in class. Do you remember how I would put certain words in the group A column and certain words in the B column, and I would make you guess what the rule was? Sometimes the rule was only words with an A are allowed on this side, and all the other words can be on this side. But you had to guess the rule. Now, families, you can either come up with a rule such as only words with digraphs are on this side, and all the other words that don't have digraphs are on this side, and then your child has to figure out the rule by observing and reading, or let them come up with a rule. Maybe they'll come up with a rule like this. Only words with 3 letters are on this side, and words with 1 letter, 2 letter, or 4 letters, or 5 can be on this side. So you can sort the words, but you have to observe and figure out what the rule is. Why are some words allowed to be on this side and some not? Well, it depends on what the rule is, and you can have fun with that. In Room 2, we used to love that game. It was always Mr. Dowd against Room 2, and every time you got one of the guesses right, I gave you that point, and you got so excited. And as soon as you got 5 points, dance party, because why not? If you're going to have a party, include some dancing, right? I mean, it's pretty fun. But I do want you to work on your sight words over and over and over again. Very important. All right, for writing, you're going to write a letter to a friend. And I included down there, you'll see the May blank writing page. And if you can print it, great. If you can't print it, that's okay. Just make sure you have the word May and dear, and then you write your letter, and then sincerely with your name at the end. Write a letter to a friend. If you can send it to your friend with your parents' help through email or cell phone or however you want to do it, or if you need my help, you can send it to me, and then I can send it to that person too. But your friends want to hear from you. Reading is Raz Kids again. Explore it, get to know it. I'm doing the same thing too. I'm learning how to use Raz Kids, and there are some pretty fun things in there. Math, just go down and watch the video. I did a short video of some mixed addition and subtraction problems. All right, that's it. Room 2, tomorrow morning, Friday. I said tomorrow morning. I meant this morning at 10 o'clock. Maybe we've already had it by the time you're watching this video, but this morning we are having our first class Zoom check-in meeting. Now, we used to do check-in meetings a lot in our classroom, and sometimes they would be meetings to solve problems. Well, this is not a meeting about solving problems. This is a meeting about just sharing our feelings with each other. It's a meeting for us to talk and to listen and to think about how other people are feeling in their hearts too when we can't be together in school. So it'll be a nice time for us to say hello to each other. I can't wait to see your smiling faces. It just fills my bucket to see you. I hope you are there or we're already there. But it's super fantastic to always get to see each other's faces. I know you've been doing some Zoom read alouds, and I've been so busy with my kids and other things I haven't been able to be there, but this time I will definitely be there for Friday's check-in, room 2 check-in meeting. Okay, hope you have a great day, and I hope you have a great weekend. I will not be doing videos Saturday and Sunday. I will probably be trying to rest, or read, or playing music, or writing, or playing with my kids, or cooking, and probably a lot of cleaning too. Keep on being responsible. First time listening. Have a great Friday and a great weekend.